Hey guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call not showing on lock screen. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to enable notifications on WhatsApp. So just in case, like for example, you've disabled it before, you need to enable it again in order for you to show notifications. So in this case, first you want to look for WhatsApp, press and hold on it. You want to go to the eye icon here. And from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and go to notifications. And from here, you want to make sure that you show notifications. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to exit this one and you want to go to your settings. So look for settings, open it up. And from here, you want to scroll down a bit and you want to look for the option for notification in status bar. Let's go and click on notification. Now, you want to select the lock screen notification here. And from here, you need to look for WhatsApp. Now, you could go ahead and click on search for apps here and just type in WhatsApp. And you want to make sure that you enable this one. Now, once you've enabled this, you can go ahead and exit your screen here and you should be good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lanap. Thank you for watching.